Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense, right here on the YouTube channel of the same name, English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at the phrasal verb add up. Add up has 5 little letters, 2 words, and 2 different meanings or uses. Ha! English, how could you? Let me show you. Add up, the act of addition. When you add up numbers, 2 plus 5 equals 7. Got it. I added them up. Now, add up can also be used to mention when something doesn't make sense or is logical. For example, your story doesn't add up. Your story doesn't make sense. English rules often don't add up. They don't often make sense. Oh, okay. Now, why does English have so many phrasal verbs with multiple meanings and uses? I don't know, but now you can read and understand these 2 sentences, I hope. The reasons we needed a new car didn't add up for me. When the extras were added up, the excuses didn't add up either. What? Come on, English. Let me do it one more time. The reasons we needed a new car didn't add up for me. When the extras were added up, the excuses didn't add up either. What? Come on, English. Peace, friends.